What's up, everybody? I'm back. I felt like shooting my bow and show you how I do my deer skulls, my European mounts. Anybody can do them. Deer skulls and varmint skulls, those are easy. You know, it's basically one piece, so just ball it. Oh, look, a little hummingbird. Just ball it and then pressure wash all the meat, and then use that volume 40. I'll show you that. And that's about it. I mean, just let it sit in the sun and dry. It'll turn pearly white, and then you just hang it on your wall or do whatever you want to do with it. Anyway, I'll just shoot my bow. We're gonna go back and forth, talk about it, trying to get a little practice in. I feel like I need to pick it up just a hair. Let's go. Anyway, I'm going to get a tool. Watch me skin this head. Got the old Weibe Knives again. They top notch, man. They're really good. Really good for this. Start getting good at all this skull mountain stuff. I'm gonna start doing fish. It's like
fish are hard.
Shitload of money.
Yeah.
Anyway, just make us a couple reps just to get it in the center.
Take thinking about it.
Take one set. Just come over here and see if it works. Might need more water.
Need more water.
Gonna need more water. Okay. So we got it on a slow ball right now. That was what you wanted to do?
Something else too.
Anyway, once I get the depth right, I'll put this in. Once it starts coming to a rolling ball for about, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour, then we'll take it off and pressure wash. Come back at you whenever I get to there. Alright, we have bowled the skull for a little over an hour, and now it's time to go get dirty. Yes sir. Do not want to let any of that get on you. It's just a beautifulness. Let's go to the front where the pressure washer's at. Pressure washer, we're gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna put the bleach on it. I'm gonna let it sit in the sun and get pretty. So anyway, I'm gonna match in a little bit. We're back at it again. And the last step of this skull mounting process, European mount, whatever you want to call it. I got the it's a volume 40 Cream Peroxide Developer. The 40 volume is the best. That's the shit. Like it's unbelievably fast. So paint it on, and before you know it, it's pearly white. So hang tight and I'll show you. I just paint it on with a little brush, and I'll give you a glimpse of that, and then I'll show you the finished product. Like I said, it's the Cream Peroxide Developer 40 volume. That's where it's at. I don't remember if you got to shake it or not. It's been a while. We're gonna do it just for the grins. But this stuff works really, really fast. You gotta keep it cool too. And it'll have a good shelf life if you can keep it cool. I stole some of my wife's paintbrush. Don't really burn, it just kind of irritates your skin. So it's a lot easier. Just put some gloves on and be done with it. And the cool part about it is once you put that on, you just go sit it in the sun. You can literally watch it change colors. The hotter it is, the better. Alright, let's see what we can do. Jack with me. What you don't want to do is get it anywhere you don't want to turn white. Don't get it on the horns. Best you can do. Well guys, it's over and done with. Now if I would be putting this in my house, I would do another coat of the 40 volume, but it's going in my shop, so I'm calling it good. But anyway, this is the finished results, and it's still pretty white. It just got a little dark in it, just a little dark, and but I mean, all in all, it's gonna look good in the shop.
I thought you had
had one in the house.
I
I thought
do.
you had one in the house.
I do got one in the house. So yeah, that's it. And that's how I European mount my deer skulls. So hopefully that was helpful, and leave me a comment, like, subscribe, share, and maybe I can help y'all out doing something else. Laney, you wanna say anything before we go?
Make sure you hit that notification bell, and make sure you like and subscribe, and hit that thumbs up right there.
That's it. So thank y'all for hanging out, and maybe we'll try to do something else another time. After that, I'll see y'all later.